Phonics, we are going to be playing with letters and sounds. And now all good readers and writers like to play with letters and sounds, even in made-up words. So today we're going to be thinking about sounds you might hear in nature, like what animals make, or just sounds that you might hear maybe on the street or anywhere really. And we're going to make up some words. Alright, so take a look at these pictures. I'm going to pull away this blue screen. One of these blue rectangles. What animal is that? That's right, it's a dog. I wonder what sound a dog might be. The letters I put next to it is what I think it might say. It might go rough. Notice how I started with an sound? This picture. It's a lion. Yes, I think it would make that sound. I think it would definitely be a lot louder than the dog. A frog would probably go ribbit, ribbit. Notice how I put a vowel in there, an I, ribbit. And the last one, this one is an animal, but it is two cars in a crash. So you could either go crash, or I also wrote boom. Remember, you don't have to spell these words right, but you do need to listen for the sounds, including a vowel that you might hear. Usually the vowels